Buongiorno a tutti. Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today it's so cold and miserable and rainy outside, I feel like a tree. So I'm going to let my sweet tooth get the better of me and make a lovely pear tart. I'm going to show you how to make it look really beautiful. And all I'm going to need for this is pears, of course. I've got some mixed berry jam, and I'm going to spice the pears with a mixture of coriander seeds, cardamom pods, and a little star anise. I'll grind these up with a mortar and pestle with some sugar and marinate them just for a short while before I make the tart. And I'm going to sprinkle it with some chopped pistachios to make it look festive. So it's going to be really easy to make, it'll impress your friends, and it's going to be done so quickly you'll be wanting to make it straight away. I'm going to start right now. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need pears, puff pastry, coriander seeds, cardamom pods, star anise, chopped pistachios, any kind of jam that you prefer, this is mixed berry, and some sugar.